Hello, I'll be sort of discussing embryonic and fetal growth today. The simple version is that there's three stages of fetal development. There's zygotic, there is embryonic, and then there is fetal. The zygotic stage goes from conception to about a week, and it's zygotic specifically entails a zygote, meaning a cell that has been inseminated and is therefore viable. It has three. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, it is essentially, or germinal as some people call it. And between 2 and 8 weeks, we get to embryonic, and this is where things become significantly. Um, they start to develop more, right? Because this is where the human body develops in the form of three layers of cells: the ectoderm, which forms the nervous system and sensory organs; the mesoderm, which forms the musculoskeletal system and circulatory system; then the endoderm, which forms the digestive and glandular system. This the embryonic stage, again from 2 to 8 weeks, so from 2 weeks to about 2 months, is the stage with the highest risk for forming congenital malformations, or birth defects. The fetal stage is between 9 weeks and up to birth, and it essentially is a time of significant growth, where by the end of the third month, the fetus is generally about 3 inches and nearly doubles to up to 6 to 8 inches in the fourth month, and about 5 months can be about 10 inches. That's around the stage also in which reflexive movement begins, not to mention the formation of sort of rudimentary hair. At 6 months, a little bit of around a foot long, the fetus will be structurally complete and will begin secreting something called the vernix caseosa in the skin cells, which is a sort of fatty substance intended to help with its lack of body tissues or lack of body fat. Between 7 and 9 months, fatty deposits will redistribute, and at 8 to 9 months specifically, the baby will become more active, kicking and whatnot. But yeah, that's the kind of crux of that.